In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an Amazon wish list without sharing your address. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a wish list that friends, family, or supporters can use to send you gifts, while your personal address stays completely private. First, sign into your Amazon account using your usual login details. Once you're logged in, move your mouse to the top right of the page. You'll see a menu labeled Account and Lists. Don't click it yet, just hover your mouse over it. A drop-down menu will appear. From that drop-down, click on Account. You'll now be taken to your account page where you'll see several sections or tiles. Look for the one labeled Your Lists and click it. This is where you manage all your wish lists and shopping lists. Inside the Your Lists area, look for a button or link that says Create a List. Click that and a pop-up window will appear asking you to name your new list. Type in a descriptive name for your wish list so you can easily recognize it later. Then click Create. At this point, your new wish list has been created. Sometimes Amazon might prompt you to add an address to the list, but you don't have to share one. To make sure your address is not attached, go to the top right of your newly created list and look for a More Options icon, usually represented by 3 dots. Click that and then select Manage List. A settings pop-up will appear for your list. Scroll down until you find the shipping address section. Click the drop-down there and choose None. This tells Amazon not to show or use a specific shipping address for people viewing your wish list. After you've done that, click Save Changes. While you're in this pop-up, you can also customize other details. You can change the list name, adjust the privacy settings to control who can see it, set how it works with Alexa-enabled devices, specify who the list is for, and add information like a recipient name, an email, a birthday, or a brief description. When you're happy with everything, click Save Changes again. To add items to your wish list, use the search bar at the top of the Amazon page and type in what you're looking for, then press Enter. From the search results, click on a product to open its product page. On that page, find the Add to List button. There's a small downward arrow next to it. Click the arrow, choose your new wish list from the drop-down, and the item will be added. And that's it. You now have an Amazon wish list set up without sharing your address.